Blood coagulation or clotting is our body's incredible defense against excessive bleeding. Imagine a tiny puncture wound on your finger. Without coagulation, that small cut could bleed uncontrollably. Coagulation is a complex cascade of events involving numerous proteins called clotting factors. These factors work together like a well-coordinated team to form a blood clot, effectively plugging the hole and stopping blood loss. This intricate process is essential for maintaining our blood volume and preventing excessive blood loss from even minor injuries. Understanding coagulation is vital for MBBS students as it underpins many clinical scenarios and treatment strategies. Before we delve into the intricacies of the coagulation cascade, let's meet the key players. These are the clotting factors, designated by Roman numerals 1 through 13, each with a specific role in the clotting process. Factor 1, also known as fibrinogen, is like the building block of the clot. Factor 2, prothrombin, plays a crucial role in converting fibrinogen into its active form, fibrin. Factor 3, or tissue factor, is released by damaged tissues and initiates the extrinsic pathway of coagulation. Factors 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 all play crucial roles in the cascade, activating one another in a specific sequence. Finally, Factor 13, the fibrin stabilizing factor, strengthens the fibrin meshwork, making the clot more stable and durable. The coagulation cascade can be divided into 3 pathways: intrinsic, extrinsic, and common. The intrinsic pathway is activated by damage to the blood vessel wall from within. The extrinsic pathway is triggered by external trauma, such as a cut or injury. Both pathways converge at the activation of Factor 10, marking the beginning of the common pathway. Factor 10 converts prothrombin, Factor 2, into thrombin, which then acts on fibrinogen, Factor 1, to form fibrin. Fibrin threads form a meshwork that traps platelets and red blood cells, creating a stable blood clot that seals the wound. This intricate interplay of factors ensures a rapid and localized response to bleeding. Remembering the Roman numeral designations and the order of the clotting factors can be tricky. Luckily, mnemonics can help. One popular mnemonic for the coagulation factors is, "Foolish people try climbing long slopes after Christmas, some have fallen." Each word's first letter corresponds to a clotting factor, starting with Factor 1, fibrinogen, and ending with Factor 13. This mnemonic can help you recall the factors in order, aiding in understanding the coagulation cascade. Understanding blood coagulation is crucial for diagnosing and managing bleeding disorders. By understanding the key players, pathways, and using mnemonics, you'll be well on your way to mastering this complex yet essential process.